The Data Transforms module transforms and correlates raw data for analysis like liquefaction calculations. The module covers CPT and SPT data types. On this page, you can define shared parameters. You can also show or hide unused ground layers. Select CPT or SPT data type to continue, and don't forget to save. Select CPTs or boreholes you would like to analyze. You can also use the lasso tool. Save the selected investigations. If you can't see the investigations you want to analyze, double-check that they've been selected in the Data Selection module. Use the drop-down to switch between CPT and SPT data types. Data Transforms allows transformation of numerous parameters which can be selected in the Setup tab. Available parameters vary for CPT and SPT. Technical information of the module's functionality can also be found here. The selected optional parameters affect the available optional parameters for downstream analysis. When selecting optional parameters, the corresponding settings become available in the Selected Optional Parameters tab. Save selected parameters. To change selected investigations or view them on a map, click on the icons next to the Save button. Move to the General Settings tab. General settings apply to all investigations. Customize settings such as inverse filtering options, unit weight settings, fines content correction settings, and settings for any optional parameters selected in the Setup tab. Choose to show or hide unused ground layers. Save changes. For SPTs, the general settings include unit weight settings and fines content settings that can be defined by either ground layer or geological description next to the optional parameters selected in the Setup tab. To customize individual parameter settings, go to the respective tab. In the parameter tabs, the settings of each investigation can be customized for the respective parameter. Use the toggle to view or hide ground layers and view or hide geological descriptions for boreholes. Select the investigation you'd like to edit from the drop-down and customize graph plotting. If the settings for an investigation are changed, a marker will appear in the tab header and drop-down for easy edit tracking and review. If a paired investigation contains a PDF file, press the View PDF button to open the file in a new tab. Continue to the remaining tabs. Once the settings have been finalized, continue to the Assessment tab. Save changes and click Analyze All. You can now leave this page and return at your leisure. Track the progress of the analysis via the loading bar. Please be aware that CPTs and SPTs need to be analyzed separately. Once completed, press View Results or go to the Results tab. As before, use the drop-down to select an investigation, customize graph plotting, and use the toggle to view or hide additional information. Scroll sideways to view all of the results. Go through the remaining tabs to view corresponding analysis results. Export results in Excel and PDF format for use in third-party software. Choose what details to include in the export. To enable the report generation, ensure that you have saved all changes. Use the View Results on Map button to access the powerful spatial visualization of the assessment results. Select which parameters you would like to view on the map and change slice depth by adjusting the slider. You can also create custom ranges for parameter visualization. Click the Save button for changes to become effective.